Hello guys, and welcome to the Blissful Education. Today I'm going to teach you Photoshop. The Today I have selected lessons, the how to define the newspaper pattern like this using one single page. Okay, right. Firstly, this is the short tutorial. Firstly, we need to reset and make a selection around the newspaper. Go to the edit and define pattern. Let's call it newspaper. This is not an important thing, but you can easy to identify when you give a name and click OK. Create another layer and edit fill. Change your contents into the pattern and select this script. Turn on this script tick and you need to set the script method as a random field. Under the custom pattern you need to select the our newspaper and click OK. Now you can see the random field setting options here, and we can play with these settings. Density, it's mean the how many particles are generated inside this effect, and we have the particle scale size in the minimum and maximum, and also we have the options here. We can change the colors of the particles and brightness. When you click it OK, it is automatically applied. I need to change some settings here. Let's give it density 3.7. Fill. Okay, now you can see this effect. Okay, today lessons Photoshop lesson I will finish it now, and thank you guys.